base into height. But there is question about how will you consider the one of the side is a base. For that reason, say I have the triangle. Say this is one of the triangle. If I consider this side as a base, suppose this is a base. If I have known about this side base, so what will be the height? Let me know the name of the triangle is ABC. Suppose BC is base. Base say BC. Then where is our height? Is it our height? No. Is it our height? No. For that reason, you have to consider the vertex opposite to the base side. This is A. And the perpendicular on this side will become the height. You got my idea? Perpendicular to the base is the height of the triangle. Yes. Perpendicular to the base is the height of the. Okay. See here something is. Okay. Perpendicular to the base is called the height of the triangle. Now see here. In another way, the question of height arises. If this is a right angle triangle, say here, then in such situation, what will be our height and our base? Now, any one of the side is base and any one of the side making right angle is a base and height. You can consider this side as a base, it will become height. This is a base, it will become height. But if you consider hypotenuse as a base, then the vertex opposite to the hypotenuse, from this vertex, you have to draw the perpendicular, it will give the height. Now the third situation of finding base and height of the triangles. Very important thing when you consider the area of triangle. Here we have this type of triangle. Okay, this triangle is called an isosceles triangle. Angle is greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree. And these two sides are equal. Isosceles and obtuse angle triangle. Isosceles and obtuse angle triangle. I have considered. Let me delete the isosceles word, only obtuse angle. And then I will consider the isosceles obtuse angle. See here, this is the obtuse angle, the triangle. Okay. Now, in this case, if I consider this side as a base, then for me, this is the opposite vertex of this side. See here, this is a side. And from this opposite vertex, you have to draw the perpendicular. It will give you the base and height of the triangle. This is base, this is height. Base and height. So you will get the area of triangle will be what? Area of triangle will be half base into height. Now again, go for the further type of problems. Remember in mind, not necessary to write. Remember in mind. Suppose you have an equilateral triangle. I have considered equilateral. Equilateral means whose all sides are equal. Now see this side, this side, this side, all these sides are equal. Now you will draw the perpendicular from any one of the vertex to the opposite side. Say this is perpendicular. Now this side is base and all sides are equal. Say each side is say x. This is x, this is x. And now I will find the length of the height in terms of x. Very important thing. See here, what is the measure of this angle? Each angle of equilateral triangle is what? 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. And side opposite to 60 degrees is what? Height. This is a side opposite to 60 degree. Height is what? Root 3 by 2 times of hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So root 3 by 2 times of x. Base is x and height is root 3 by 2x. So area of the triangle will be 1 upon 2 into base is what? X into root 3 by 2x. So the triangle will be give you the formula right angle triangle. Then now here equilateral triangle will have the formula root 3 by 4 into side square. This is the formula of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 into side square. This is method how to remember it. Now, do you know any other formula of area of triangle other than this formula? You can know about the isosceles triangle, but any other formula for any triangle, and that formula is called Heron's formula. Heron's formula. See, let me see anything is. Hello.
Yes, sir. All done, sir.
Okay. Sir,
Okay,
the
all done,
message,
sir.
the content of this meeting is being sent to a third party. Okay, करू का त्याला? Let me measure it.
हाँ ओके करा सर ओके करा
Okay, कोई problem. Okay. So can I continue it again?
यस सर
Oh. Now see here, Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Heron's formula is related with the perimeter of the triangle at each side of the triangle. See here. We have the sides of the triangle, say A, B, C. Any triangle, whatever may be the side. Any triangle and all its sides are known. It is important. All sides of triangle are known. All sides of triangle are known. Then, how will you find the area of triangle? This is by Heron's formula. Very simple way. Now, first you will find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. Semi matlab half of anything. Semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. How will you find it? Sum of all sides. It is called perimeter upon 2. That is the value of S. What does it mean? 2S will be the perimeter. That is A plus B plus C. And now you will use the formula for Heron's formula. What is this? Area of triangle will be square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. But the condition is what? What is the condition? All sides are directly or indirectly given. You must know all sides, then and then you can use this formula. If you know two sides and if you can find third side by any other method, then also you can use this formula, Heron's formula. Let us look at some problem by using Heron's formula today. See here, when you are given two sides and you don't know the third side, then also you can find the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. For that reason, let's have one problem here using Heron's formula. Find the area of triangle. Basic thing. If you know base and height, you can find the area of triangle. If you know the triangle is equilateral, then you can find the area of triangle by using directly root 3 by 4 into side square. But if you are given some another way, another problem. See here, I have one problem in front of me. Heron's formula. And I'm putting forward in front of you on the screen, writing it, the problem of Heron's formula. There are so many problems, but see here, the sides of triangle are in the ratio 3:5:7. And perimeter of triangle is, what is the perimeter? 300 centimeter. And then in this case, you have to find the area. What will be our thinking? How will you think about this problem? Very simple. Don't think, let me give you the hint for this. Now the ratio of sides will give the length of the sides from the perimeter. How? For that reason, you must remember the 7th standard mathematics ratio and proportion. Now you have given the ratio of 3 quantities and you have to find one of the each quantity. Direct methods here, 3 upon, what is sum of 3 plus 5 plus 7? 3 plus 5 plus 7 into 300. This is the first side. 5 upon 3 plus 5 plus 7 into 300. This is the second side. And what is the next? 7 upon 3 plus 5 plus 7 into 300. What will be 8? What is 3 plus 5? 8. 8 plus 7? 15. So it will be 3 upon 15 into 300. 5 upon 15 into 300. And 7 upon 15 into 300. In all this calculation, the one calculation is always same. 15 ones are 15 twos are so 20, 20, 20 is the multiplier in each case. 27s are 25s are 23s are 23s are 60, 25s are 100, and 27s are 140. Add this three number 0 plus 0 plus 0, 4 plus 16, carry 1 plus 1 plus 3, 300. You got the perimeter. What does it mean? You got the side of each of the side of the triangle from the perimeter. So if you know the perimeter, if you know each side, here the sides were given indirectly, not directly. So our aim is to find the sides by using the information given. So the side is what? 140, 160. Now what is semi-perimeter? What is the value of S? What is S? Anybody? What is the value of S? Hello? What is value of S in this case? Hello? Very simple. Let me give that. S is what? Perimeter upon 2. That is 150 directly. See here. Why? Perimeter is 300. A plus B plus C is 300. Upon 2 will be 150. And now you can use this information to find the area of triangle. And what is the area of triangle? Root of S matlab 150. 150 minus 60. What will be it? 90. 150 minus 100. What will be it? 50. 150 minus 140. What will be it? 10. Now, how will you calculate this value is again important for us. Again, important thing is that how will you calculate this value? Can anybody guess the answer? Can anybody guess the answer? This is way of finding the area of triangle. Can anybody will tell me the answer? Calculate as your own. If you have time or your notebook in front of you, pen. Calculate this value. Take the screenshot if you are required with. Now see here. Very simple is there. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 0, 1 0, 2 0. Matlab 10. This is 15 into 10, it is 9 into 10, it is 5 into 10, it is 1 into 10. So 10 into 10, 100, 10 into 10, 100. The square root of 100 is 10, 100 is 10. So 10 into 10, 100. Now 15, 9, 5. Very simple thing. See here, there are so many methods. You will multiply all these things and then find the square root. No, factorize it. See here, 15 into 150 into 15 into 10. I will write 9. I will write 5. And then this is 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10, and 10. Four tens are there. So 210, 100. So I have written the answer is 100 into square root of again 15 into 9 into 5. 15 into 9 into 5. Now how will factorize it? Very simple. What is square root of 9? 3. Again 15 and 5. 5 into 3 into 5. Then 5 into 5 is 25. Square root is 5. 100 into 3 into 5 into root 3. So what is it? 1500 root 3 square unit. Square centimeter is the area of triangle. See the process of finding. Calculation. Fastest calculation is very important in any exam. It is not a board exam. You will have less than 1 minute time to calculate. Other time is used to think over the problem. 1500 root 3 square centimeter, square meter, whatever may be the unit. If unit is given meter, then it will be in meter. Now let me have another problem. Take the screenshot if it is possible to take you as a screenshot. Now see here, I have another example. See, what is my next example? Today's Huron's formula, the second example is there. In this example, the ratio was given and perimeter is given. See here, in the exam, the sides will never given directly. Is it not possible to give them directly the sides? Then the question will become very easy. The sides are given indirectly by using the Huron's formula. Let's have another look of the problem. That problem in front of me is that sides of triangle are two sides of triangle are. What are these? 18 centimeter and let me have one problem in front of me. 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. And perimeter is equals to 42 centimeter, then find area. Now here, the side is not given. One of the side is not given. Two sides are given. One side is 18 centimeter, another side is 10 centimeter. But we are not given the third side. But we have given the perimeter. You can find the third side. Very simple. Say this is A, this is B, and you have to find C. How will you find A plus B plus C is what? Perimeter. Sum of all sides. What is A? 18. What is B? 10. Now, in such a case, see here, what will be it? What is that? 28. What should be added to 28? If you think orally, 10 plus 18 is 28. What should be added in 28 to get 42? You have to think. Oh, what is it? What will be the number? C will be what? Obviously, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42. That is 14 is your answer. For that reason, you must know the tables up to 15. 28 is in table of 14, 42. So 28, 14 twos are 14 threes are. So 14 is the value. Third side is 14. And if you have the third side, what is the value of S? What is the value of S for all of you? What is the value of S? See here. S is what? Semi-perimeter. What is perimeter? 42 upon 221. So what is the value of S minus A? What is S minus A? S is what? 21. 21 minus 18, that is 3. S minus B, 21 minus 10, what is it? What is 21 minus 10? 21, 42 upon 2, 21. 21 minus 10. Is it 11? Yes. Yes minus C. 21 minus 14. What is it? 7. And so what is the area of triangle? Root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. See whether anything wrong or not. Verify. It may be wrong sometimes. Calculation. 42 is given your perimeter. Now, area of the triangle will be what? Again, look at this calculation. What is S? What is the value of S? S is given 21. What is S minus A? Our calculation, it is given 3. What is S minus B? Is it 11? S minus B. 11 plus 10, 21. Yes, 11. What is S minus C? That is 7. Now, can you factorize it? Yes, very simple. 21 can be factorized 7 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 7. Whether it is in the screen. Okay, very simple. Your answer will be what? 7, 7. 3, 3. 7 threes are 21 root 11 is your answer. This is the area of triangle. 21 root 11. Verify whether I am right or wrong as your own. Sometimes teacher may be wrong. Those teachers are not giving the exam. You are giving the exam. Yes. See, whatever may be the situation. Now, these are the two important problems from Huron's formula. No other problem will become on Huron's formula. If there is a problem, then it will be depend on different situations. But first, you have to find the area by this way, and then another, you have to color the triangle. You have to face the triangular field. Then the question is different. Now, let me have another question. So another type of question is that take screenshot if possible. I'm going towards the next problem. Okay, what is my next problem? See here. Now the next version of the problem. Very important part of the geometry, that is surface area and volume. You know the formula, but we don't know how to apply it. The question arises of application of the formula. Now here I have one problem in front of me. There is a triangular field. A triangular field is there. Triangular field. What are its sides? 50 meter, 80 meter, and 150 meter. Consider it 120 meter. Something is wrong in this printing. 120 meter is there. See here, this type of triangular field is there. 50 meter, 80 meter, and 120 meter. There are two questions. First, you have to find the length of the fencing. If it is fencing, it is fenced with a wire. What will be the length of the fencing? And the another question is that length of first question is length of fencing. And second question is that area of this field. And another sub questions may be arises. Now see here. But one condition is that yes, this is 120-meter side of the rectangular field. And there is a 3-meter gate. Yes, there is a 3-meter gate, open gate, and you have to fence it. But you have to subtract 3 meter from the total perimeter. So what will be the length of fencing? Length of fencing will be what? Perimeter minus 3 meter. What is perimeter? 120 plus 50 plus 80. 120 plus 50 plus 80. 120 plus 80, 200, 250. And 250 minus 3, that is 247 meter is the length of, what is it? Length of fencing. Are you getting my points here? Again, it is asked find the length of fencing if it is fenced with a wire. For that reason, you require the perimeter. But there is open gate of 3 meter. Something where. So 3 meter is subtracted from the total perimeter. So 247 is the perimeter. Now there is another question. There may be another question. What is the cost of fencing? Well, 1 meter costs some rupees. Then you will use unitary method, one to many. This is not today's part. Today we are only applying how to find area, volume, and so many. Next lecture we will see what will be the next version of the problem. Now see here, how you find the area? Length of fencing you got. Now area. For that reason, what is S? Let me have the S. Look at the S of this. S will be what? P upon 2. What is P? 250. 250 upon 2 is what? 125. What is area? Area of triangle. Root of S? S matlab 125. S minus A. 125 minus 20. 120. What is it? 5. S minus B. 50. What is it? 75. S minus C. What is it? 120 minus 80. 45. Now factorize it. Factorize how? Here. 125 is 25 into 5. 25 can we can find the square root of 25. 5. And the original 5 is there. This is what 125. 75 is again. What is it? 5 into 15. Here, important thing. 45 is what? 45 is 15 into 3. Keep in mind. Now 25 की वजह से 5 because of this to 5 because of this to 15 it will be 15 and root 15 CR. Answer. Find the multiplication and find the answer. What is it? 375 root 15. How? 5 5s are 25, 25 into 15. How will you find it? 15 into 20, 300. And 15 into 5, 75. 375. See here, this is way of calculating. Not necessary any abacus. Simple way. 20 plus 5 multiplied by 15 plus multiplied to 20, 300. And 5, 75, 375. 375 root 15. Square meter is the area of this rectangular field. You can take the screenshot for your further. Better to take the screenshot at the time. And write down the problem and try to solve it as your own. Don't see any book and any reference. You can use your method also, shortest way to find the factors. You can use any another way of your way, finding the factors. Shortest depends on you. Now, for next lecture, we will have some formulas here. What are these formulas? Look at this formula. Our first formula was area of triangle, all formula. I have not taken the area of isosceles triangle today because my focus was on Huron's formula. Now, second formula. What is the area of square? Area of square is very simple. That is the side and square. And what is the perimeter of square? Perimeter will be 4 into side. Third, what is the area of rectangle? Keep in mind, length into breadth. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2L plus 2B. That is 2 times of L plus B. Very important thing. Now the next formula. What is the area of rhombus? Very important thing. Rhombus. Half into D1 into D2. When diagonals are given, these are called the diagonals. When sides are given and or base into height, very important thing. If you have considered this as a rhombus, see here, this is a rhombus. All sides are equal, but angles are not equal. Rhombus. It is not a square. All sides are equal, but angles are not equal. You have this given side. You consider this as a base. Draw this perpendicular. You will get the base into height area of that rhombus. Same. Next, formula number 5. Area of parallelogram. See here, this is very important formula for rhombus. What is the area of parallelogram? It is also base into height. Same formula is there. One of the side is considered as base and this will be considered as a height. Simple thing. Now next, these are the very important quadrilaterals to find the areas. Perimeter sum of all sides. Now, next formula numbers. Again, triangle and square. Now circle. 2-dimension circle. What is formula of circle? Area of circle. Pi r square. What is pi? Pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. What is pi? Pi is the ratio of circumference. Very important thing. Circumference to diameter of any circle. It is for any circle. That is C upon D. What is C? C is so 2 pi r. 2r. C. C here. Let me write pi is equals to what? Pi will be C upon D matlab 2r. So pi into 2r will be C. What about the area of semicircle? Very important circle. Semicircle, half pi r square. Quarter circle. Quarter circle. 1/4 pi r square. What is perimeter of semicircle? Take the screenshot. Let me write the perimeter of semicircle. See here, perimeter of semicircle is also important. See here, this is a semicircle. It's a perimeter matlab half circumference of circle, that is pi r. And this is 2r. So pi r plus 2r is, this is called perimeter for the semicircle. Now next, see here, this is a circle and it will have some sector, see here, sector. Areas related to the circle. Here, this is circle. And this angle is central angle. You know all of these things. Central angle, arc, measure of arc. You know all of these. We are going only the exam point of view. This is theta. This is called central angle. Now, area of this sector. Its a formula is what? Area of sector. It is related to theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the area of sector. Now, this is called the length of the arc, L. Length of arc is equals to, what is the length of the arc? Do you know the formula regarding the length of arc? Here, length of arc is a part of circumference. So theta upon 360 into part of circumference 2 pi r. Area of sector is a part of area. So it is pi r square. It is 2 pi r. See the difference, why the formula comes. Area, pi r square. Length of arc, perimeter, 2 pi r. Area, perimeter, circumference. It is a part of circumference. It is called a minor arc. Now, what is the area of segment? See here, segment. Let me show you the segment. Minor segment. This is complete circle. This portion is called the minor segment. Chord. Chord and the arc will form the minor segment. And for that reason, you require this triangle. Find the area of segment will be. Area of segment will be area of sector. You know the formula of area of sector minus area of triangle. And now the question arises, the area of such type of triangle. This is side R, this is side R. And you must know this formula. If you know these two sides, and if you know the angle, then how will you find the area of this triangle? And that is my today's last point. And I will conclude the meeting. See here. 5 minutes. Take the screenshot. Only 2 minutes remaining. In the triangle, how will you find the area? Okay. See here, this type of triangle is there in any circle. Segment related triangle. This center. Okay. Radius. Here, radius. This angle is theta. Draw this perpendicular. Consider it as a base. Automatically, it will be the height. Now, what is the value of sine theta? Sine theta, keep in mind, opposite side h upon hypotenuse, that is r. So height will be r sine theta. Forget about this. Height is r sine theta. If you know this angle in terms of 30, 45, and 60, you can use this formula, r sine theta, height. So base is what? R. So area of triangle will be what? Keep in mind, r into r sine half. Base into height, half. R into r sine theta. And what is it? Half r square sine theta. It is today's last formula. Thank you very much. Okay, sir. Hello.
हाँ sir, yes sir.
Okay. Let us end the meeting.
Okay sir, okay. It is possible to extend 5 or 10 minutes. Otherwise, we end.
I end it. Now today not
Okay,
possible.
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Good night.
Tomorrow I will take it. The time.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Sir, take the feedback.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Thank you. And
Thank
call
you.
me when tomorrow if
Thank you,
possible.
students. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me leave.
हे पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज जे लेक्चर आपल्या सरांनी घेतलं, यशवंत सरांनी, ऐकताय मी सांगितलेलं? ऐकताय तुम्ही? अंतरा, धनश्री, रिदान, ईश्वरी, मोहम्मद साद, नंदिनी, संस्कृती, शिवेंद्र, ऑल आर लिसनिंग मी? मला माझा आवाज ऐकताय का तुम्ही बाळांनो?
सर येतोय.
हा, हे यशवंत सर जे होते आजचं लेक्चर घेतलेले, हे महाराष्ट्रातील एक नामवंत शिक्षक आहेत मॅथमॅटिक्स, यांनी 20 वर्ष कंटिन्यू SPI ला आणि NDA ला टीचिंग केलेलं आहे. सरांचे महाराष्ट्रातील एक ख्यातनाम टीचर आहेत. म्हणजे मी प्रयत्न करत होतो की सरांचे लेक्चर लावायचं गेल्या 2 आठवड्यापासून, पण सरांची डेट मला आज भेटली. एवढे VIP आणि व्यस्त असणारे टीचर आहेत यशवंत सर. आणि सरांनी पुणे, छत्रपती संभाजीनगर, कोल्हापूर, मुंबई असं महाराष्ट्रातल्या वेगवेगळ्या टॉपच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना NDA आणि IITचं टीचिंग केलेलं आहे. आणि खरंच तुम्ही भाग्यवान आहात आपण सर्वजण की यशवंत सरांचं टीचिंग आपल्याला मिळालेलं आहे. एक टीचिंगवर कमांड असणारा हाडाचा शिक्षक आहे. सरांनी आयुष्यामध्ये शिकवण्याशिवाय दुसरं काहीही केलेले नाही. शिक्षणासाठी समर्पित असं व्यक्तिमत्व आहे. आणि खरंच आपण लकी आहोत की त्यांचे लेक्चर आपण करत आहोत. आपल्याला काही लँग्वेजची वगैरे अडचण असेल तर मला सांगत चला. मराठी, इंग्रजी थोडस वापर करायचं, काही बदल असेल तर ते सुद्धा सांगत चला. आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, येणाऱ्या काळामध्ये तुम्हाला अभ्यासाची जबाबदारी घ्यावी लागेल. इथं शिवेंद्र आणि सोहम हे दोघं 9चे आहेत. आणि संस्कृती, नंदिनी, मोहम्मद साद, ईश्वरी आहे, रिधान सुद्धा 9चा आहे, धनश्री, अंतरा हे सर्व 10वीचे विद्यार्थी आहेत. आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपली खूप मोठी जबाबदारी आहे की आपण भरपूर अभ्यास केला पाहिजे, बी मोटिवेटेड असलं पाहिजे. आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, प्रत्येक क्षणचा उपयोग अभ्यासासाठी करा. मोटिवेटेड राहा, पॉझिटिव्ह राहा. मी सुद्धा मध्ये मध्ये मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर तुमचे घेणार आहे. आपल्या सर्वांना परत एकदा शुभेच्छा, गुड नाईट. पर्सनली माझ्या टचअप मध्ये राहत चला. मी कॉल नाही उचलला तर मला व्हॉट्सअप वरती मेसेज करत चला, जेणेकरून आपल्या अभ्यासाचा टेम्पो हा कंटिन्यू राहिला पाहिजे. चला, काय बोलायचं असेल तर तुम्ही बोलू शकता. माझ्याशी संवाद, डायलॉग साधायला शिका. आणखीन एक आहे की आपण बोलत नाही. टीचरने विचारलं तर पटकन रिस्पॉन्स दिला पाहिजे. आपलं माईक चालू करायचं, बोलायचं आणि परत माईक स्विच ऑफ करायचा. मी काय म्हणतो लक्षात येते का बाळांनो तुमच्या? हॅलो बेटा.
हो सर.
ठीक आहे, ओके. रिधान, प्रत्येकाने धनश्री, अंतरा, ईश्वरी, संस्कृती, शिवेंद्र, आपण सर्वांनी रिस्पॉन्स द्यायला शिका. प्रत्येक गोष्टीमध्ये रिस्पॉन्स द्यायला शिका. हॅलो बेटा.
सर.
व्हेरी गुड. संस्कृती, बोलायला शिकलं पाहिजे. कारण की NDA मध्ये SSB इंटरव्ह्यू असा पार्ट असतो की तुमचं पर्सनॅलिटी, तुम्ही काय आहात किंवा मी काय आहे हे कधी कळतं. मी काही बोललं तरच मी काय आहे कळेल ना. तुमच्याकडे भरपूर नॉलेज आहे, पण तुम्ही एक्सप्रेसच नाही केलं तर तुम्ही काय आहे ते कळणार नाही या जगाला. म्हणजे पहा, जगाचा नियम असा आहे की माझ्याकडे काय नॉलेज आहे हे मी बोललो तरच कळेल. तसं तुमच्याकडे काय नॉलेज आहे, तुम्ही काय आहात, व्हॉट यू आर, हे तुम्ही बोललं पाहिजे. म्हणजे आपलं व्यक्तिमत्व काय आहे सांगण्याचा पहिला माध्यम काय आहे, आपलं नॉलेज. हे कशातून एक्सप्रेस होतं? बोलण्यातून. तुम्ही बोलायला शिकलं पाहिजे मित्रांनो. आणि SSB इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये बोलणं खूप महत्वाचं आहे. इंग्लिश न्यूजपेपर रिडिंगची सवय लावा, इंग्लिश न्यूज ऐकण्याची सवय लावा. खूप महत्वाचं आहे. स्वतःला इंग्लिश मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करायला शिका. 10 ते 20 मिनिटं तुम्हाला इंग्रजीमध्ये बोलता आलं पाहिजे. आता नेक्स्ट वेळेस, ठीक आहे तुम्ही आता घरी असाल, पण नेक्स्ट टाइम मी तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ ऑन करून बोलायला लावणार आहे. प्रत्येकाने व्हिडिओ आणि ऑडिओ ऑन करून बोलायचं, जेणेकरून तुमची पर्सनॅलिटी काय आहे हे जगाला कळलं पाहिजे. लक्षात येते का बाळांनो?
हो सर.
हा, व्हेरी गुड. तुम्ही बोललं पाहिजे, प्रत्येकाने बोललं पाहिजे. ठीक आहे बाळांनो, काय सांगतो मी लक्षात येते? चालेल, ठीक आहे. गुड नाईट. चालेल चालेल.